Hello students, we are now going to begin with practice set 22. In practice set 22 there are 5 questions. In first question we have to do addition of rational numbers, then subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, find the multiplicative inverse and division of rational numbers. And rational numbers are written like fractions only. So all these operations we have already studied in 6th standard. So let's begin with the first question. Carry out the following additions of rational number. Now for addition and subtraction of rational numbers, it is compulsory that numerator should be equal. But here denominator should be equal. But here denominator is not same. So let's make it same. Before that you can observe these two numbers 6 and 42. Both these numbers, they are divisible by 6. They come in the table of 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42. So we can write this as 5 upon 36 plus 1 upon 7. Okay, just we have changed the form of 6 upon 42 as 1 upon 7. How? By dividing this 2 by 6. ये दोनों को 6 से divide किया तो यहाँ 1 आया, यहाँ 7 आया. Now 36 does not come in the table of 7. So we will use the method of cross multiplication. First 5 into 7. First number से पहले start करना है. 5 into 7. Then this middle sign here. Then 1 into 36 upon multiplication of two denominators 36 into 7, which is equal to 5 sevens are 35 plus 36 upon 252. So this is equal to 71 upon 252. Why we reduce this to 1 upon 7? Because here only if we will do cross multiplication, then 42 into 36, this multiplication will be very big. So we can reduce it and solve it like this. So the answer of this addition is 71 upon 252. Now the second one. 1 and 2 upon 3 plus 2 and 4 upon 5. Now for solving this mixed example, there are two methods. First one is you can add the whole number separately and the fraction separately, or you can first convert this mixed number into improper fraction. How? 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3. 5 twos are 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5. So we will solve the first method. 1 plus 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. Whole numbers we will add separately. Fraction part we will add separately. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. This plus sign. Again cross. 2 5s are 4 3s are. 2 5s are 10 plus 4 3s are 12 upon 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 3 plus 10 plus 12 is 22 upon 15. Now 22 upon 15, this can be written as 15 plus 7 upon 15. So this 15 upon 15 will be 1 and 7 upon 15 will be as it is. So 7 upon 15 as it is. 15 upon 15 1 plus 3 4. So 4 and 7 upon 15 is the answer of this example. Understood? Now the third one. 11 upon 17 plus 13 upon 19. Now 17 does not come in the table of 19. 19 does not come in the table of 17. So cross 11 into 19 plus 13 into 17 upon 17 into 19. 17 into 19. Now solve this multiplication. So 209 plus 221 upon 323. Add it. This will be 430 upon 323. Now the last one. 2 and 3 upon 11 plus 1 and 3 upon 77. Whole numbers we will add separately, plus this plus sign here, and fraction part we will add separately. So addition of fraction part plus addition of whole numbers. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 plus. Now 77 comes in the table of 11. So what we will do? We will multiply this fraction with 7 and we will keep the second fraction as it is. Second fraction वैसे ही रखेंगे और इस fraction को 7 से multiply करेंगे. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 plus 21 upon 77 plus 3 upon 77. Now denominator is same. So 3 plus, add the numerator, 21 plus 3 upon 77. So you will get 3 plus 24 upon 77. Now you can keep the answer like this also, 3 and 24 upon 77, or you can again convert it into rational number also. Understood? So how to convert? 77 into 3 plus 24. 77 into 3 plus 24. So this will be 255 upon 77. यहाँ पे भी हम convert कर सकते हैं. 15 into 4 plus 7. 15 into 4 plus 7. So 15 4s are how much? 60 plus 7. 67 upon 15. So like this we have to do addition of rational numbers. Now the second question is subtraction of rational numbers. First one, यहाँ कोई भी एक दूसरे के टेबल में नहीं आता है. So cross 7 into 7 minus this minus sign 3 into 11 upon 11 into 7. 11 into 7. Now 7 7s are 49 minus 33 upon 77. 49 minus 33 is 16 upon 77. This is your final answer. Now the second one. Second question is 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. 2 upon 40. Now denominator are big. So try if we can make it small. So 2 and 40 they can be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 20s are 40. Now 36 and 13 they come in the table of 13. 13 1s are 13 3s are. Sorry. 36 and 13 they 13 3s are 39, sorry. So this will remain as it is. So what will be the fraction? 13 upon 36 minus 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20. Now cross multiply. 13 into 20 minus 1 into 36 upon 36 into 20. First this 2, then this 2, and denominator this 2. So 13 zeros are 0, 13 twos are 26 minus 36 upon 0. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Now 260 minus 36 will be how much? 224 upon 720. Now you can observe that these two numbers, they are divisible by 2 also. Then we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Now what will be the HCF of these two numbers? 224 and 720. Why we are finding the HCF here? Because this answer is big. We have to reduce it. First divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Here 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 0. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2. 8s are 16. 0. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 8s are here 90. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and here we will get 45. So if we divide it by 2 2 2, what is remaining? 14 and 45. So the HCF is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. And if we divide both the numbers by 16, then what will remain? 14 and 45. So 14 upon 45 is the reduced form of this answer. Understood the use of HCF? Now the third one. 1 and 2 upon 3 minus 3 and 5 upon 6. Mixed number. Now here again we will use the same method. Whole number minus whole number, fraction minus fraction. So 1 minus 3 plus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. Now this 3 comes in the table of 6 comes in the table of 3, and here 1 minus 3 is negative 2, and multiply this fraction with 2. So 4 upon 6 minus 5 upon 6. 4 upon 6 माइनस 5 upon 6. ये फ्रैक्शन को हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया क्योंकि 6 लाना था, और ये 1 माइनस 3 होता है निगेटिव 2. स्मॉल नंबर माइनस बिग नंबर, आंसर इज निगेटिव. सो निगेटिव 2 एंड दिस विल बी negative 1 upon 6. Now solve this mixed example. So what we will get? 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13 with negative sign upon 6. So because both are negative, so answer will be negative. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13 upon 6. Now the last one. 4 and 1 upon 2 minus 3 and 1 upon 3. So दिस एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेल यू बाय कन्वर्टिंग इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. एक मेथड ये होती है और दूसरी मेथड ये होती है. 4 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. 3 into 3 plus 1, 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2 minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. Now denominators are different, so cross. 9 3s are 10 2s are. If you can do it orally, 9 3s are 27 minus 10 2s are 20 upon 2 3s are 6. यहाँ पे छोटे नंबर है तो हम ओरली कर सकते हैं, और अगर बड़े नंबर्स है तो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. 7 into 7 minus 3 into 11 upon 11 into 7. और यही कैलकुलेशंस अगर छोटे नंबर है तो हम ओरली भी बिना लिखे कर सकते हैं. 27 minus 27 upon 6. So you can do by this method also or this separate method also. Any one method you can choose. Now the next question is multiplication of rational numbers. Very easy. In multiplication it is not necessary that denominators should be same. Here denominators can be different also. And what is the formula? Numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Multiply this two and multiply this two. Addition and subtraction में ऐसा नहीं करना है. Add this two, add this two, या subtract this two, subtract this two. No, that method is different and multiplication method is different. Now 3 2s are 6 and 11 5s are 55. So 6 upon 55 is the first answer. Next, 12 into 4 upon 5 into 15. Now check whether we can reduce something. Yes, 12 and 15 दोनों 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. 3 4s are 3 5s are. So what is remaining? 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5. So answer is 16 upon 25. ऐसे कुछ ऊपर नीचे कट होता है तो पहले हम वो चेक करेंगे और उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, निगेटिव 8 into 3 upon 9 into 4. न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ रिड्यूस. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So what is remaining here? 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 3, and this negative sign because negative into positive is negative. Now the last one, 0 into 3 upon 6 into 4. 0 into any number 0, 6 4s are 24, and 0 divided by any number is 0. Understood? Now multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means what? Instead of numerator you will write denominator, and instead of denominator you will write numerator, means reverse. So 2 upon 5 multiplicative inverse is 5 upon 2. Negative 3 upon 8, so negative 8 upon 3. Negative sign will be common in the numerator only. साइन को नीचे नहीं लेके जाना है, साइन को एक ही बार फ्रैक्शन के बाहर लिखना है कॉमन. 17 upon 39, 39 upon 17 with negative sign. 7 means what? 7 means 7 upon 1, तो उसका उल्टा होगा 1 upon 7. मतलब किसी भी इंटीजर का उल्टा होता है 1 upon that integer. Now this is a mixed number. So first convert it into rational number. What is the method? 7 into 3, 21 plus 1, 22 upon 3. 3 7s are 21 plus 1. अब इसका उल्टा करो, 3 upon 22 with negative sign. So these are the multiplicative inverse of these rational numbers. Multiplicative inverse means ऊपर का नीचे, नीचे का ऊपर, reverse, reciprocal. Now the last question is division of rational numbers. This also we have studied in 6th standard. You cannot perform the division directly. You have to convert it into multiplication. How to convert? First fraction as it is, middle sign division की जगह multiplication and inverse of second fraction. इसका उल्टा 10/4 का 4/10 और बीच वाली साइन डिवीजन के बजाय हो जाएगी मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ सॉल्व इट. न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ रिड्यूस इट. 10 1s are 10 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. तो क्या क्या बचा? 4/3. 1 है मतलब वो सेम ही नंबर आएगा. 4/3 is the answer of this division. Now the second one. Negative 10/11 divided by negative 11/10. First step, convert into multiplication. First fraction as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of second. Now multiply. Negative 10 into negative 10 upon 11 into 11. कुछ reduce नहीं हो सकता है. So 10 10s are 100. 11 11s are 121 and negative into negative is positive. Now the next one. Negative 7/8 divided by negative 3/6. First fraction as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of second fraction. Now numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Now reduce it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 7 2s are 14 upon 8. Negative divided by negative is positive. Now again reduce this. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Actually we can reduce it here also. 2 1s are 2 4s are. तो यहीं पे हमको 7/4 मिल जाएगा. So answer is 7/4. Now the fourth one. 2/3 divided by negative 4. First fraction as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of second one. Now reduce. 2 1s are 2 2s are. तो क्या क्या बचा? 1 into 1 1, 3 2s are 6. निगेटिव साइन हमेशा देंगे ऊपर. सो negative 1/6. Now the fifth one. 2 and 1/5 divided by 5 and 3/6. So first convert it. 2 into 5 plus 1/5 divided by 6 into 5 plus 3/6. ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्लस ये नंबर, ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्लस ऊपर वाला नंबर. So what we will get here? 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11/5 divided by 6 5s are 30 plus 3 33/6. Now डिवीजन को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज, मिडल साइन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ नेक्स्ट. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. 11 1s are 11 3s are, 3 1s are 3 2s are. तो क्या क्या बचा? 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. So 2/5 is the answer of this division. Now the sixth one. -5/13 divided by 7/26. First fraction as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of second. Numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. 13 1s are 13 2s are. So -5 into 2, नीचे क्या बचा है 7 into 1. So the answer is -10/7. -10/7 is the answer. Now the seventh one. 9/11 divided by -8. First fraction as it is, middle sign multiplication and reciprocal of second. Now 9 into 1 9, 11 8s are 88. Negative into negative, पॉजिटिव निगेटिव, पर निगेटिव साइन ऊपर लिखते हैं फाइनल आंसर में. सो वी विल राइट इट हियर. -88 आता था पर वो निगेटिव साइन हमने लिखी ऊपर. नाउ द लास्ट वन. 5 divided by 2/5. First number as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of second. Now 5 5s are 25/2. 25/2 is the answer. So this practice set we complete here, and you have to solve all the questions in your notebook. Practice set 22. Thank you.